channel. It is me, Giselle. So in today's video, we're going to be doing this vampy red smoky eye that you saw in the thumbnail. Hopefully, you know, it turns out good. But today's palette, we're going to be featuring the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. And this palette is just beautiful. Look at that. Some nice reds. You have like this cute little brown, some cute shimmers, but I was really just obsessed with this palette, hence the name, because of the red and because, you know, I want to get out of my comfort zone from using browns and neutrals. So hopefully I can get this all monochromatic look by using the red berry tones in here. So we're gonna go through and do our base to get ready for this eyeshadow. So I'm going to probably speed through my base, but if I don't mention everything, everything will be listed down below on what I'm using. So I just wanted to jump back in. I got my base done and I'm trying out a new product. I have the Kat Von D, what is this, the Locket? Let's see. Yeah, the Kat Von D Locket Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the color Translucent. It is very white. You guys know I like my brown powder. I really like my black opal loose setting powder. I only have like the tiniest itty bitty, you know, amount in there. It can get the job done, but you know, your girl is running out. So I got the mini little size in my little birthday gift thing. So I just wanted to hop on and try it out and give like my 2-second thoughts. This powder has been out for forever, so I'm pretty sure you can find, you know, review and demos of this powder from other people here on the internets. But did I just break the little thing? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this off? This packaging with my nails is a no-go. And the little tab piece just tore off. It's coming slowly but surely. If all else fails, use your teeth. Sorry, Dad, if you're watching. Every time I use my teeth for something, I had braces, and my dad is like, well, if you don't stop using your $10,000 teeth that I done paid for. Sorry, Dad. Ooh, you know, the Lord, my inner spirit is telling me to mix this powder. So I'm gonna give it a chance though. I'm gonna put it on, and then if it's just way too light, I'm gonna put the black opal powder on top. So I have a damp beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna go through and put this on the places that it needs to be put. Ooh, this is white. Oh, Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it because this makeup is supposed to last me all night, as well as like probably 11-ish, 11:30-ish, and I'm going somewhere like tonight, 11 a.m. And you know, your girl does not have time to be having some flashback. This is gonna be a powder that I'm gonna have to definitely mix because it is just like chalky white, and my spirit and everything that's led me to this point in my makeup is telling me, girl, you know better. You know what this will do to you. It's cool though. I'll still use it and mix, you know. I'll still mix it, make it do a little razzle dazzle. Going in with our palette, I'm thinking about using maybe these three shades. No, these three shades. These two at the bottom right here, and then this one right here. Yeah, let's do that. First, before we even do that, almost messed myself all the way up. We gotta prime our eyes. Urban Decay Primer Potion, the only primer potion the only eyeshadow primer we acknowledge on this channel over here. Because if you have oily, creasy eyes like I do, then this is your truth, the way and the light. Now we're going to go in with that transition color and see what it does, if it does anything. Oh, it does something. You see? It's there. It's very peachy. It's a little bit lighter. For packing on color, I'm going to use this little flat brush. This is the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics collaboration. And let's start with this dark shade right here. We're going to go in with her. And we're going to put her all over the lid. Oh, hello. She did not come to play. Yes, ma'am. And I'm just going through and just patting this on. I'm covering up that original peachy color because that did absolutely nothing for this look. So, and every now and then I'm looking straight up just to see how this would look with my eyes open. And since I have hooded eyes for a monochromatic look like this, I just like to keep it on the lid. And then my crease color, or whatever shade I use to blend it out, I want that to be seen a little bit right here. So it will still be like a smooth transition in between the colors once my eyes are open or if my eyes are closed. We need to go in with a kind of fluffy blending brush, BH Cosmetics brush. Don't know what the name of it is because it's so old that it's rubbed off. But I'm going in with this little peachy shade or pinky shade. And very softly, we're gonna go in and blend out those two colors. Oh wow, that blended out so easily. Oh, this is probably one of the fastest looks I've done. Look at that, blend out so seamlessly. It looks beautiful. And I'm applying the most lightest pressure ever. I don't want to take up a lot of the color that we already placed down. So I'm touching my skin very lightly and going from inner to outer corner. So you can definitely see the difference, right? So this is more blend out. Don't worry about this little patch right here because I can go through and put, pack on more color right there. It's okay if you have some small patches when you're blending out. That's fine, that's expected because you're moving around that base color anyway. Just go through, put some more on, but look at that blend. See? Yes, this is what you want. It just blends out into the oblivion. You don't know where that blend ends you just see a perfectly blended eye and you see skin transition. Yes. So I'm gonna go through and take this little gold right here and use it as an inner corner. See how, you know, shapoppin' that would be. So for this, I'm gonna have to wet my brush. Still not doing what I wanted to do. What if I go out with my finger? I just didn't want it to be too much. Oh, see? Did what I want to do, so maybe these little eyeshadows, these shimmers are better with your finger. I'm gonna wet my finger too, just to get the most. Ooh. Oh man, I done put some. That's kind of pretty though. I done put some accidentally on my lid, so gotta make that mistake over here. And I really think it's because I have on nails and it's not really letting me get in the innermost corner of my eye. But yeah, that color, you have to wet it. You have to use your fingers. But whew, that's beautiful. I think I'm gonna do eyeliner just to set it off. I was thinking about just coating my lashes with mascara, but I think a wing is well deserved. And since I'm not going to be wearing lashes with this, I think a wing liner would help with the look as well. So lashes would set this look off, but I'm not feeling lashes today. Plus I don't have any, so maybe it's because I don't have any. Who knows? Oh yeah, that sets it off. Normally don't do this, but I feel as like I have to put a little bit of that red shade on my bottom lash line, just a little bit. Usually I would just keep it like this, but you know, I'm trying to get out my comfort zone. I wanted to use my flat blending brush, but I don't know what I did with it and where I put it. So hopefully this is small enough I can do what I need to do. Just a little hint. See? I'm not mad at that. Just a tiny hint. Mascara. We are going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I'm putting some heavy coats on. Since I'm not wearing any lashes, I want my lashes to be coated. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below if you have any other suggestions or any other colors or products or anything that you want me to do in the future, and I'll be sure to get on that for you guys. I am back. Yay. So yeah, hopefully I'm going to be posting more frequently. My computer was broken, so shout out to you, Daddy, for fixing my computer. And I am back in business with editing and doing some videos. Next week, I have a fabulous review for you guys coming up, so be sure you're subscribed for that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.